Hi everyone, Teacher Roxanne here. You know what's just around the corner? Halloween! Shh! I'm filming! And so I'm gonna show you how to play a Halloween song. So I've had a ghost stuck in my house for at least a few days now, and it just does this, and it's very distracting and annoying. I think it might even be stealing my banana bread, and it's time to get rid of him. So who am I gonna call? To learn Ghostbusters, our right hand is going to play two different parts. I will call these part 1 and part 2. Let's learn part 1 first. You need to find a D and a B. Remember, D goes in between the two black keys. Play it with your pinky, your 5th finger. The B is just 2 notes away, and you'll play that with your 3rd finger. Did you find them? D and B. Now listen to the rhythm. Long, short. Now we'll play it 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's part 1. Here's part 2. D, B, A with your thumb, black key with your 2nd finger, middle finger on B. Here it is again. This is what it looks like with both of them together. So that's the only thing your right hand has to play. Your left hand does B, A, G sharp, and E. When you put them together, B gets 2 of the repeated part in part 1. A gets the other 2 plus part 2. And then on G sharp, we do the same thing we did on B. You get 2 of part 1. The other 2 are on E plus part 2. All together, in order, it looks like this. Did you get it? Rewatch this if you need to, or watch it with the piano teacher.